Nag-iisa sa lungsod ng Pasig at natatangi ang inisyatibo ng Barangay San Antonio na nagbibigay ng lingguhang aktibidad para sa mga senior citizens. Ang Senior Care Program ay ilang linggo nang isinasagawa sa nasabing barangay at nitong Martes, mas pinalaki ito bilang bahagi ng selebrasyon ng Elderly Filipino Week. Mula sa mangilan-ngilang lolo at lola noong una itong ilunsad, ay nadagdagan ang mga nakikilahok dito. Ang programa ay naglalayong palakasin ang physical at mental health ng mga lolo at lola sa komunidad, mula sa simpleng physical exercises hanggang sa mental challenges. Ayon kay Barangay Chairman Raymond Lissing, nais nilang maging sustainable ang mga ganitong programa para sa kapakanan ng mga senior citizens.
Pinagdiriwang natin dito sa Barangay San Antonio ang Elderly Filipino Week. No, so this is somewhat a belated celebration ng Elderly Filipino Week, and we decided na yung aming weekly senior care program ay lagyan namin ng konting fanfare, no? Gawin naming special edition ng aming weekly senior care program dito sa Barangay San Antonio. So yung senior care program, no, started with a collaboration with the doctors of Rizal Medical Center, and ang primary objective naman namin is really to provide something new, no, in terms of programs para sa ating mga senior citizens, no. Again, walang masama sa mga usual na mga dole out, ayuda, pabingo, but then we wanted something that's more sustainable, na alam natin na matutulungan ang pag-progress ng pag-aging, no, ng ating mga lola at lolo dito sa aming barangay. Magmula nung sinimulan po namin, weekly na siya. Every Tuesday siya talaga namin ginagawa, no. We started with a smaller group. In fact, parang 10 lang sila nung una, no? And then slowly nag-progress to about 20 participants. And then because of this, no, tumiming naman ng Elderly Filipino Week, no, we decided to make it a little bit bigger today, no? So we're very happy also. We have partners that have supported us, no, for this special edition of our senior care program. Unang-una, syempre ang Rizal Medical Center na andyan, no? Tumulong din sa atin ang Birch Tree Advance, ang Flanax, as well as Julie's Bake Shop. And of course, ang Akay ni Sol na andyan din, na patuloy na tumutulong naman at nagko-collaborate with Barangay San Antonio, particularly, no, sa ating mga programs para sa elderly. Hopefully, after this, yung ating regular na weekly attendance ay dumami, no? Dahil nga may experience ngayon ng mga senior citizens ng aming barangay kung ano ang nakapaloob dito sa daily sessions na ginagawa during the senior care program. Ang nais namin dito talaga maging staple program na siya, no, ng aming barangay, no? Something that we can do regularly, weekly, no? Actually, the challenge is really yung sustainability po nito. So again, with the help of the Rizal Medical Doctors, we're starting to immerse our barangay personnel, no, dito sa weekly programs na ito. Nang sa ganon ay eventually iiwan rin naman kami ng Rizal Medical, and eventually ang barangay na magiging main facilitator nito pong programa po na ito. Kami natutuwa, no, na nasimulan namin, but syempre our end goal is really sana i-replicate, no, i-replicate ng ibang barangay, hindi lamang sa lungsod ng Pasig kundi sa ibang panig ng ating bansa rin, at of course baka maging city level din ito, no. Again, napakaganda ng mga exercises, mga activities na napo-provide. Sabi ko nga kanina, the motor skills are revisited. Nagkakaroon sila ng mga memory work, so yung brain function nila are also put into use, no, during the activities that are provided by our medical practitioners. So I hope this is something that everyone can emulate, no, at magawa nila sa kanilang mga community. Maraming salamat, of course, sa ating mga collaborators, of course sa inyo, no, for iNews na laging naandyan din sa mga activities din ng aming barangay, and we're very proud, no, na nakikita po natin na ang ating Barangay San Antonio ay patuloy sa paglikha ng mga programang natatangi para sa ating lungsod.
Nagpapasalamat naman si Reynaldo Arcelon na ilang linggo nang sumasama sa aktibidad. Anya, epektibo itong nakakatulong sa kanilang pangkalahatang kalusugan at kasiglahan. Kanyang pinuri si Lissing sa mga programa para sa mga senior citizens ng nasabing barangay.
Since we started, I am present. Kasi I am a member of the Board of Trustees. Kaya kami nag-represent sa mga senior citizens. And we are the one who is encouraging them to attend this because it is very nice for the senior citizens, at least exercise and whatsoever. our mindset will be different kasi they are testing us everything, they are helping us what to do and what are we going to make, and at the same time that we are prepared for whatsoever will transpire in our daily lives. There are so many, especially in games, ball, touching balls, ping pong, so that the flexibility of your body, you can we are using it right side and at the same time left side and the right. Yes, it is very effective, and I'm very sure that because in my observation, it is very effective. No, at least if you are just staying at home, you will just lay down and say whatsoever. But here you can practice whatsoever you need, or what the more knowledge that they will give it to you, you can gain it. I'm very thankful, and we are very grateful that San Antonio is the one who is, and our barangay captain is very cooperative, very understanding, and I am very appreciative. This is the first barangay that I observed that when it comes to generosity, help whatsoever, our barangay captain is very generous and is very approachable.
Ako si Luan Peñano para sa latest ng iNews Pasig.